The universe operates on a fundamental principle, the law of attraction. This principle is the foundation of how our thoughts and emotions shape our reality. This law states that like attracts like. Essentially, the energy you emit through your thoughts and feelings attracts similar energy back to you. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs act as magnets, drawing experiences that match their frequency. When you focus on positive thoughts, you attract positive outcomes. Imagine the universe as a vast mirror, reflecting back the essence of your inner world. Every thought you think and every emotion you feel is mirrored back to you in the form of experiences. When you focus on positivity, you invite more of it into your life. Positive thoughts and feelings create a ripple effect, attracting more joy, love, and abundance. Conversely, dwelling on negativity attracts unwanted experiences. Negative thoughts and emotions can create a cycle of negativity, drawing more challenges and difficulties. The law of attraction is not merely a whimsical notion. It is a powerful force that governs the unfolding of your reality. It is a universal law that operates whether you are aware of it or not. By understanding and harnessing this law, you can manifest health, happiness, abundance, and all that your heart desires. You have the power to shape your destiny by aligning your thoughts and emotions with your deepest desires. Remember, you are a powerful creator, constantly shaping your reality with every thought, feeling, and belief. Embrace this power and use it to create the life you truly want. Your desires are not random. They are whispers from your soul, guiding you toward your highest potential. They are like magnets, pulling you towards experiences and opportunities that align with your true self. When you listen to these whispers, you begin to navigate life with a sense of purpose and direction. Each desire, no matter how big or small, holds within it the seed of its own fulfillment. Just like a seed needs the right conditions to grow, your desires need your attention and nurturing to come to fruition. By acknowledging and embracing your desires, you give them the energy they need to blossom. When you focus on your desires with unwavering faith and positive expectation, you activate the law of attraction, setting into motion a chain of events that conspire to bring them into being. Visualization and positive thinking are powerful tools that help you align your energy with what you want to achieve. However, if your mind is clouded by fear and doubt, you create resistance, blocking the flow of abundance. Negative thoughts and emotions act as barriers, preventing you from receiving the good that is meant for you. It's essential to clear your mind and focus on positive outcomes. The key is to shift your focus from what you lack to what you truly desire. By doing so, you change your vibration and attract more of what you want into your life. Writing down your goals and visualizing them can help you stay focused and motivated. Remember, the universe is infinitely abundant and always conspiring to support you in the manifestation of your dreams. Trust in the process, stay positive, and take inspired action. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, as they are stepping stones towards your ultimate goals. The power of thought is not merely a philosophical concept, it is a scientifically proven principle. Your thoughts are electrical impulses that generate a unique electromagnetic field. This field interacts with the quantum field, influencing the very fabric of reality. Every thought you think contributes to the creation of your personal reality. Studies have shown that positive thoughts have a profound impact on your physical and mental well-being. They boost your immune system, reduce stress levels, and enhance creativity. Conversely, negative thoughts release harmful chemicals that weaken your body and attract unwanted experiences. By cultivating a positive mindset, you become a magnet for health, happiness, and fulfillment. The process of manifestation can be simplified into 3 powerful steps: ask, believe, and receive. First, identify your desires with clarity and focus. What is it that you truly want to experience in your life? Second, cultivate an unwavering belief that what you desire is already yours. This belief acts as a powerful magnet, drawing your desires into your reality. Third, remain open to receiving the blessings that the universe has in store for you. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to orchestrate the perfect circumstances for your dreams to manifest. Remember, the universe is infinitely abundant and always conspiring to support you in the realization of your dreams. Doubt and fear are the archenemies of manifestation. They creep into your mind uninvited and create barriers that seem insurmountable. They act as weeds in the garden of your mind, choking the seeds of your desires. Just as a gardener must tend to their plants, you must tend to your thoughts. Whenever you encounter doubt, acknowledge it without judgment and gently replace it with a positive affirmation. Write down your fears and then counter them with empowering statements. Affirm your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Stand tall, breathe deeply, and visualize your success as if it has already happened. Remember, you are a powerful creator, and you have the ability to overcome any obstacle that stands in your way. Each challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger and more resilient. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's uplifting books, inspiring music, or supportive friends. These elements can help you maintain a high vibration and keep doubt at bay. Remember, the more you focus on your desires and cultivate a positive mindset, the easier it becomes to overcome doubt and watch your dreams unfold. Embrace the journey and trust in the process. Words are not just sounds. They are vibrations that carry creative power. What you speak, you attract. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated with conviction, have the power to reprogram your subconscious mind. Choose affirmations that resonate with your desires and repeat them daily, feeling the truth of each word. As you consistently affirm your desired reality, you align your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with the frequency of your dreams, making their manifestation inevitable. Remember, your words have the power to create or destroy. Choose them wisely and watch your reality transform. While thoughts are the seeds of manifestation, feelings are the fertile ground that allows them to take root and flourish. The more intensely you can feel the emotions associated with your desires as if they were already manifested, the faster you will attract them into your reality. Engage your senses and visualize yourself living your dream life. Feel the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment as if it were already your reality. This emotional alignment sends a powerful signal to the universe, accelerating the manifestation process. Remember, the universe responds to your feelings, not just your thoughts. Feel the truth of your dreams and watch them blossom into reality. The universe is not a static entity, but a symphony of energy, constantly vibrating and evolving. To manifest your desires with ease, you must align yourself with the harmonious flow of this cosmic orchestra. Meditation, mindfulness, and spending time in nature are powerful practices that help you connect with the rhythm of the universe. As you surrender to the present moment and quiet the incessant chatter of your mind, you become a clear channel for divine inspiration and guidance. Trust your intuition, follow your heart, and allow the universe to guide you toward the fulfillment of your dreams. The law of attraction is not a magical formula, but a lifelong journey of self-discovery and conscious creation. You are the artist of your life, and your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs are your brushes. Paint your canvas with bold strokes of positivity, love, and gratitude. Embrace the journey with open arms, knowing that you have the power to create a life beyond your wildest dreams. Remember, you are a magnificent being, capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Trust in the universe, believe in yourself, and watch as the magic of manifestation unfolds before your very eyes. Join the Free Spirit community by subscribing to our channel. Let's create a life of abundance together.